Microsoft, Nvidia, Anthropic, they announced strategic partnership. Let us see that blog. So here they announced this partnership. So here they're targeting industrial and enterprise AI. So here we started journey with classic compute. After that, classic machine learning, Gen AI. Now we are seeing agentic AI. To boost these entire scenarios, they started as strategic partnership. So here let us go through this blog as well. So here they included what are all things they included this thing. So within the Microsoft, if you observe Microsoft, there is a product called Microsoft Foundry. So here you can see these are all models you can see. Suppose if you are trying to use models, this is the model catalog you can see. After announcement, they enabled these models as well, cloud models, you can see that. So within your Foundry. And also just see, just go to your Copilot also. Here they mentioned Pilot as well, Copilot, right? So these are all models to see, cloud models like Cloud Sonnet and Opus, right? Haiku. These models, you can see that. Go to your Copilot. So within the Copilot, this is the one, Visual Studio extension. So this is the one you can see. So within that, just go to your section and you can see, right? So here you can see, so models, currently I'm in agent mode, right? And here you can select your agent. So just see, cloud model has been updated, right? So you can start using this model as well. Also, you can use this utility as well, AI toolkit. So here itself, you can add your AI toolkit and you can start observing your model catalog here itself. So here you can see, so same options, whatever options we observed, right? So here Azure portal, same thing. So with the help of this extension, you can start observing the scenarios also. Here itself, you can start observing these models. Also, whatever models you onboarded, right? This is the model catalog. And also if you are trying to onboard your models, right? So you can start onboarding these models also here. So here, what is the advantage here? Okay. So just see, Azure customers will again expand choice in models and access to the cloud. No need to go for a separate contract. They can start using these cloud models from Azure itself. And also Nvidia and Microsoft, they're committing to invest 10 billion and up to 5 billion respectively in Anthropic. Nvidia, they're providing infrastructure for Anthropic. Also, you can see Anthropic documentation also. Cloud now available in Microsoft Foundry as well as Microsoft 365. So here they mention, so what are all models they included? Here they mention detailed documentation also. Please see the description for documentation and full playlist. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe for more videos like this every week.